Yes, better, round 2. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Where is the boat? It's gone. Well, it was right by here, and it's come over here. Now it's all dry. Let's have a bit of a look and see what exactly I've got to do. So you see, brought the hose, extension lead. Next thing is going to be get the jet wash out. Right, here we go. Oh, doesn't look too bad. Advice in the comments, please. The beading. Now the keel bolt, there's no sign of rust or anything inside the hull. This needs scraping off. Some good holes there. So that's going to be a wire brush job. Hopefully these will polish out. All the woodwork needs sanding down. The windows I want to take off, repaint the smile, and all this. I'm hoping a good polish on the hull. Tiller's already off. It is. That's in the house. Gotta sand that down. No play at all with the steering. Yeah, this is all gonna get washed off today. One good sanding coming up. I don't know whether to varnish or oil. What do you reckon? Nice and clean? This is after have a good polish. But there's no plate in here either. Is that going to be possible to clean off? And do you reckon I'll get an anoid in there? Feels like this needs sealing up again. This is a side which I couldn't get to because when she was in the water. But again, she's looking pretty good underneath. You reckon that will just clean up? And again on this side, as you can see, they're all pitting. Now, has anybody encapsulated the keels on? That's a thought. So I know these boats, they don't have problems like Centaur with the keels. So yeah, this is the extent of the hull that needs to be cleaned, polished, painted. Obviously can't show you top sides because they're not up there yet, but I'll be back in a bit when I get all set up. Oh, there we go, she's had a good wash down. She's got to be acid washed. I was hoping I could have done it with a jet wash. Chain. Not very good. And I'm presuming it can't be cut and joined together somehow. That is the only bit of bad chain which I saw I was getting out anyway. Yeah, I've literally just stopped now, so as you can see there's still some barnacles on here. But she's looking cleaner. I know obviously she's going to be sanded down. Yeah. I'll say a couple of hours work. Again, it doesn't look any different, but to me it does. She had a good clean top side. Some of the barnacles off. But I would say this is my only real issue. Let me know in the comments whether you think I'm totally nutty loopy about that. Let's get these barnacles off. Oh, I missed a patch. Yeah, I need something to wire brush polish this up. Ooh, that's not too bad now. Can you get an anode to fit in there? Obviously, all this woodwork needs sanding, varnish, said windows off and all that lot, but yeah, worst thing now, pack it all away. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps a new channel like this. Hey, until next time, when I crack on, let's do a bit more work. More or less, it is up to date with everything, so it all depends on the Welsh weather. Bye now.